Unraveling the fun of shop till you drop. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very popular English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even from your friends. Shop till you drop. It's a fun and lively expression. And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Shop till you drop is a phrase that's used to express the idea of shopping for a very long time until you're too tired to continue. It's an exaggeration that captures the enthusiasm and the endless energy some people feel when they go shopping. The phrase consists of two main parts: shop till you, which means to do shopping for a certain period, and drop, which here symbolizes becoming extremely tired or exhausted, not literally falling down. This phrase can be used in various situations. You might use it when planning a day out with friends, during holiday seasons when people tend to buy a lot of gifts, or when talking about sales and shopping festivals. It's a light-hearted way to suggest that you'll be doing a lot of shopping, possibly more than usual. You can say, "Are you ready to shop till you drop this Black Friday?" Or, "I can't wait for our shopping trip this weekend. We're going to shop till we drop." It's interesting to note that shop till you drop reflects a cultural enthusiasm for shopping seen in many parts of the world, especially where retail therapy is a popular pastime. This phrase is especially common in countries with large shopping malls and districts dedicated to retail. It embodies the excitement and the joy of finding new things, enjoying special offers, and the social experience of shopping with friends or family. There are variations of this phrase that you might come across. For example, some people say, "Dance till you drop," or "Work till you drop." These variations follow the same structure and exaggerate the idea of doing an activity with such intensity and duration that one reaches the point of exhaustion. It's a versatile structure that you can apply to other activities as well. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, "shop till you drop," in your English conversations. It's a fun way to express enthusiasm for shopping or any other activity you love doing to the point of exhaustion. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about embracing the cultural nuances that make a language rich and vibrant. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the fun in English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. See you in the next video.